What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, over here on Western and Dickens? Beautiful day out. It's April 28th, 4:44 p.m. and I noticed some guys doing construction in the sewer. Look, maybe it looked like it was a some kind of fiber optic hookup. Excuse the wind, guys. Just gonna go check that out real quick. It's about a block over. About a block over. Now I'm on McLean and Western. McLean and Western. Look at the beautiful trees, beautiful trees. Golly. Golly. Look at the beautiful trees. Golly. So due to the lockdown, many places are closed. However, there are still some places wide open. Walkouts only, takeout. Restaurants. (1961) Northwestern. Now what is this, guys? What is this? What is this? What is this? Now there's the construction going on there. There's nobody standing there. It looks like they're loading their, they might be doing a drain cleaning or maybe something in that nature. But you as a regular citizen, you could request these permits to be pulled and find out exactly. Oh look, there's somebody peeking out that hole right there. There's somebody peeking out that hole. So this is on Western in Milwaukee. The feds just moved. They see me, they took off. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me ask these guys what they're doing there. Hello? Hello? Hey buddy, what are you guys working on here? What are you guys working on? What are you guys doing? Oh, internet. 5G? Golly, what are you running? Copper lines down here? When would it be flipped on?
That's not my fault. It's the guy who...
Golly, wow, look at all these pipes. Let's see if I got a flashlight here. What company is this, boss? Verizon. Golly. Oh, video, yeah, wide open. Wide open, okay. Wide open west. Oh, okay. Any dangers to this equipment, boss? Any dangers to the 5G?
No, I mean, I don't go to your job and start videoing you. So I really appreciate it.
Oh, these have open permits here, huh?
Yes, they do.
Oh, okay.
And I gotta
This is
watch-
all public. This is all public record.
I gotta watch. I'm
Yeah.
not supposed to be in my work area though. That's
Okay,
not-
boss. Have a great day.
You too, I appreciate it.
Yeah, 5G. They're installing 5G on these area. There's a watchman over there as well. There's a watchman. Golly. No, he did sufficient. He did sufficient. Excuse me, boss. You work for McDonald's or 5G? Oh, you got on McDonald's. He's got a broom and I'm asking him if he works for 5G. Golly. So there it is, guys. When you ask some of the people that work for this 5G technology, they kind of feel offended, you know? It's like they have some kind of they have to hide some kind of info. You know, he did his thing. He made some sense. He said, you can't be in my line, you can't be inside my you know, circle. So that pretty much did it, guys. That pretty much did it. Cameras everywhere. There, you guys got an answer. I don't know how clear the quality was for the audio due to the wind and all that's going on, but it may caught of the video. It may have caught the video. Okay. 23:30. It's drizzling now. The rain is coming down. So you guys did notice all those fiber optic cables, and those cables are thick. Those cables thick as my thumb, a piece. And running all down inside the fucking sewers. Cameras everywhere. But he said it best, boys and girls. He said it. I asked him, what is this? He said 5G. Or he admitted it to 5G. The healthiest plant, what they don't want you to know about. So we made I believe Western, yeah, Western. And anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. Please comment below.